Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. Wike at it again. Wike's men has impeached the assembly speaker, regroup in Abuja to move to cause further chaos in rivers as Fubaro refused to budge. So this is what is happening now. News reports reaching us is that Wike has taken the bull by the horn and has said he's drawn the battle line, saying he will deal with Fubara and he will not hesitate. He's told him before that he will give him sleepless nights. And those are not my words. Those are Wike's words exactly. He said he will give the governor sleepless nights. That the governor think he's somebody, right? He will give him sleepless nights. And guess what? Wike has made some threats that if you think about it, is not comprehensible by the human mind. But guess what? A lot of people, a lot of persons has pretended, has taken it with a pinch of salt, and has really done nothing about it. As we speak today, there is so much more going on that when your mind really think about the whole situation, you will wonder to yourself if this is the nation, this is the country that we are talking about. Wike is a minister in the Federal Capital Territory, having served 8 years. You heard me. 8 years as the governor of Rivers State, with nobody being his godfather. Today, he still wants to micromanage what is going on in Rivers State. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Wike Wike's men impeach Speaker, regroup in Abuja, move to further cause chaos in Rivers as Fubara rises up to him. The former Speaker of Rivers State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Martin Chike, is treading a dangerous path to sue his political father, the FCT minister, to further cause unrest in Rivers State. This is the new information reaching us today. Fortnight ago, he prayed Baratia to convey some members of the House of Assembly to unlawfully suspend the lawmaker, Honorable Edosin, for reasons that could not be found in the sky. He, he suspiciously carried out the act to pave way for his illegal, barbaric plans being made for the impeachment of Governor Fubara, orchestrated by Nyesom Wike. This was a clear violation of our democratic principles and further escalation to escalate the already high political tension in Rivers State because Fubara has refused to yield to Wike's demand. What is even more concerning is that Martin Chike recent actions which demonstrated a clear show of insubordination towards Governor Fubara and total disrespect for the democratic process in the state. He led some members of the assembly out of Rivers State, clamoring that they are attending a 2-day refresher seminar in Abuja, a program that suddenly came into the sky, but there was nothing of such going on after the original plan to impeach the young-hearted governor Fubara failed. The simple question is, who is funding this seminar at this time when efforts should be placed on genuine reconciliation, peaceful governance? The latest move is nothing but to undermine the governor's simplicity and authority so that they can further hash their plans, self-seeking advantage on the deranged River State people already, which is exercised to control legislative body unlawful concern to cause harm and imaginary control of the state. Such an healthy voyage only deepens the divines in their hearts to destroy the state, as Wike has told them he is in charge and they should carry on watching the governor. Wike's action, the minister of the Federal Capital Territory, is causing a lot of tension in Rivers State. Sadly, nobody is able to call Wike to order and caution him. Fubara is a young governor who has never served in this capacity before, but Wike is hell-bent to frustrate him. Nigerians are watching the whole movie play out, and this is the new terrain currently ongoing now. Many people are asking, How do we sort this out? Many people are asking, how do we sort this out? Because with everything that is going on right now, we cannot deny. Okay, we cannot deny that there is a lot of irregularities already, treading in this light in this ground, and we want the real change to come. People are going through a lot. People are going through a lot. To mention but a few, a lot of issues have begun to a lot of issues have begun to come up. Okay, I began to come up on what Wike has been doing. A lot of people have been taking sides, like chiefs, local government chairman. A lot of things have been going on. Okay, this is part of what has been going on. So it is what it is. It is what it is, and every single person, should have to understand it. After being in a place for a while, we need to understand that our nation is currently being hijacked. Our nation is currently being hijacked by some people, that think they can take charge. They can take charge, and they can manipulate the system as they please. It is terrible because nobody's really cautioning, you know nobody's really cautioning Wike. Nobody's really cautioning Wike, and that's the thing that is happening. Nobody's currently cautioning this guy. He has found himself to become a new lord. Okay, he has found himself to be a new lord. Nobody says anything to him. He is, he just, he can do as he pleases. And it's sad that, of course, he helped Fubara, because when you think about the cost of an election, all that is involved, it's a lot of money. And Fubara may not have that money. And by the way, don't think Fubara is a saint. To go and investigate. EFCC were chasing him before. And Wike told him that he should not worry, become a governor, there'll be immunity and all that. If you remember very well, there was a meeting before the election, and Wike was saying, this one will succeed me. And Fubara said, me? I can't be a governor. How? Wike said, don't worry, I will make it happen. And that's part of what Wike is holding. He said he bought their forms, he paid, he carried out the campaign, he did everything as if it is his money. It is not his money, it's the state money. Exactly. It's the money that belongs to the state. Exactly. You see, leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Have a good day. Bye for now. Bye-bye.